Hey traders, hope you all had an awesome day. An update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas, and let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Now in the report I've also mentioned that if the price hit the zone below, in that case I will use this zone as my trend continuation zone bullish. So now we are above 50 EMA. Now if this candle ends up as a bullish engulfing candle that will close in next couple of minutes, in that case if we have a close like this, we have a buy signal and the price will push up likely more than 1 ATR. 1 ATR will be my initial targets. Right here the number, if you see here, ATR is 7, so I'm expecting a price to push up at least 1 ATR, and then I'll look for another break above this high, pull back and keep on taking longs till the price gets to my level above in red, which is 2.906. that goes up to 3.036, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade. Nice one. So what do we have right here? So right here we had a big bullish engulfing candle. I've said that if this candle closes as a bullish engulfer, we will have a buy signal. Now I personally like to enter 50% of the big candle. If I see this big candle, I would like to enter a little bit below at the better price. That would be right here, but as the candle did not pull back, I missed this entry. But if you have entered right at the close, that is also valid. But personally, my preference, I want to enter at 50% of this candle. That did not happen, and sometimes you miss the trades like this if you want to enter in a less aggressive way. But we have a valid condition that pushed the price higher now in the level of resistance. Now I want you guys to mark the resistance level. I've just redone the resistance level again, which is right here, 2.906. that goes up to 3.041. Now this is the zone from where the price is currently inside of. Now if we have a next candle as a bearish engulfing candle, that is less likely that we can get a very big candle, but if we have that, we have a sell signal. Otherwise, let's say if this candle closed and then we have another green candle and then a bigger red candle, in that case we will have a valid aggressive entry. I will go short from here, as now we are in a selling area. If you scroll back, this is a zone that has been reacted nicely as a level of resistance, a level of support. If you look back, that level has acted as a good level of support and resistance. Both makes this a level of significance. Now at this point we are in this level, have these zones, look for the conditions like bearish engulfer I've just mentioned, or a pullback or a double top condition. If we have that, we are good to go short again. Now this is a zone I'm now looking for sell trades only. Buy will be only if you have a big push down, big pullback above 50 EMA and give us some sort of signal like bullish engulfing pattern after a big pullback or after a pullback of few red candles. In that case, I will still go long and look for a double top condition once the price comes back to the zone again. Sell from this zone once we have a condition, either bearish engulfers or double top. Buy if you have a big pullback without any condition followed by bullish engulfing candle. So keep looking for that. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our entry. Now here on Oanda, I'm still waiting for the price to hit the zone as I trade on Oanda. If I get a condition here, which is right here, 3.288 goes to 3.422. Members should have received these zones already and should have the zones on the charts already. Now if we have a push up, hit of this zone with a bearish engulfers or a double top condition, exactly the same I have just mentioned, we are good to go short. Or if we have a pullback or few candles followed by a bullish engulfer, we are good to go along and look for double top condition once the price is inside the zone and forms a double top pattern. So keep looking for that. We are also overbought in the RSI, and a good signal will be if we have a bearish engulfing candle in this zone, or if we have a double top, we will have a likely chance of bearish divergence in the RSI as well. That will be an extra confidence. So keep looking for that. And now here on NEMEX, I have just read in the zone right here. This level has acted as a level of significance in the past. If you see a level of resistance here, a level of support and resistance multiple times, that makes it a valid level of significance. So keep looking for that. Once the price forms a signal here, I've just mentioned, we are good to go short and long with a pullback I've just mentioned. Right here on gold, bounce up from the level of support, a minor support area I've just mentioned yesterday. If you see on 1 hour time frame, and the rule is if you are trading on the higher time frame, if you have a zone on the higher time frame, we should take over trades on a lower time frame. So if this zone was marked on 4 hour time frame, then we should look for the engulfers or double bottom on 1 hour time frame. So that is how we need to take our trading. Now at this point, look for a double bottom patterns as well, which is right here. Mark your rejection zones. Now if the price pulls back to this zone followed by bullish engulfers, 382 candle bullish or a pin bar, in that case we will have a valid buy signal. I'll keep a stop loss below, take profit wherever you want to take it, 1.421 or 1 ATR for your initial target. So keep looking for that on 1 hour time frame. Exactly the same on 4 hour time frame with your rejection zones. If you have a push down, look for rejection here. We have a valid sell signal here as well, which is a valid bearish engulfing candle, and looking at that we can get a $9 push down from here. Let's say we started from here, $9 push down will be exactly at the rejection zones, and once we exit our trade, in that case we look for another buy condition. If broke below this low, in that case we have a continuation towards the downside. So only looking for sell trades, looking at this valid bearish signal. Next one we have silver. Silver is still ranging sideways. I'm not looking for any entry. It is not a valid condition if you are looking at that, or this is not a valid condition. All I'm looking at a hit of this zone below, which is right here, 22.25, that goes into 22.65, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry conditions. So keep looking for that, a good level here. Once the price hit the zone, we can look for a nice bounce from this area in green. So last one we have crude oil. It's now exactly the same as yesterday. I've mentioned look for double bottoms from the zone I've just mentioned in my yesterday's video. If you have that, we are good to go long. And the zone below, which is right here, the number in blue, once the price hit the zone, in that case I'll start to look for my aggressive entries or double bottom condition from this green zone I've mentioned yesterday as well. So keep looking for that. These are conditions I'll be looking at for my possible trades. Once we have that, we are good to go long. Remember, conditions are very important. Without conditions, we are just gambling, and we don't want to do gambling with our hard-earned money. So that's it for commodities, guys. If you are getting value, please do not forget to hit a like button for me. It really helps me in a YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.